best cucumber salad ever in the world. Viral and very easy to make. Very nice taste. Like this one. Number 2 and number 3. For this toast salad, there is recipe in this video. Let's watch continue. First one, cucumber, onion, cherry tomato. Then some salt, black pepper, olive oil, lemon juice. This is the first one. This one, the second one, cucumber, some black pepper, some salt, chili flakes, olive oil, lemon juice. Then done. Third one, cucumber slice, tomato, onion, some salt, some black pepper, olive oil, fish yogurt.